So I have a really cool product from K&F Concept. It is these ND filters that go on your GoPro, and yeah, let's have a look at them. So first of all, they look beautiful. And they come in this really nice case as well. And yeah, you take one out, and because they're variable, that's why they have, like, you can spin it. So it tells you here, this is Nano X ND64. And so what you're going to do is grab your GoPro, take off the lens here. I'm going to put this one on, spin it into place, snaps right in. Boom. That looks so cool. You have to admit, that looks really cool. And so if you didn't want the 64 and you just wanted to go to the PL, you can spin this and line that up, and you can switch it between that ND64 and the PL. They also have here the 32 and PL. Put these in the right spots here. So we have 32. It goes all the way down to ND8, and this one is an ND16 here, just like that. So ND8, ND16. And if you don't know what these kind of filters do, basically it makes it darker in your GoPro so that when you have like some motion to it, it actually will show that motion a lot more. So if you take like a 32 and we put it up to the lens here, see how much darker it is, and then your phone will actually adjust for that, or your GoPro will actually adjust for that, and you'll see a lot more motion instead of just like less motion. That way, if you're doing something really fast with your GoPro, like a lot of people do, because it is an action camera, that's going to make it look like you're going even faster. Like, it's actually going to capture that motion. So this is really nice, really quality made. I actually think that this is top notch. So it's a product I highly recommend, and thanks for watching.